Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download WhatsApp on your PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and type WhatsApp download. Select the first option that you see in this. Scroll down and on the right hand side you can see download for Windows. Click on download for Windows. Now here you can see it is been downloading. It may take a little while. You can wait for it. It is almost the downloading is almost finished. The downloading is finished. Now click on this, which is on the bottom left side, WhatsApp setup. Now you can see it is been installing. It may take a little while. Again, now that the WhatsApp is downloaded and installed on your phone, you will see something like this. To log in WhatsApp on computer, you have to fulfill these three conditions. That is, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu or settings and select link device. Point your phone to the screen and capture QR code. Here is a QR code. And that is all for today. This is how you download WhatsApp on your computer and log in to WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.